What is the meaning of hydrophobic and hydrophilic? I'd like to start off by breaking down the words hydrophobic and hydrophilic. The words that make up hydrophobic and hydrophilic originate in Greece. The word hydro means water. Philic or phil means having a strong affinity for something. And phobia means fear of something. The term hydrophilic describes a substance and or materials that are water-loving. Hydrophilic molecules are also known as polar molecules. Hydrophilic substances dissolve in water. Water is polar, and hydrophilic substances break down to be surrounded by water. Salt, sugar, and alcohol are examples of hydrophilic substances. If a hydrophilic substance such as salt is placed in a beaker of water, the salt will dissolve because the positive charge side of the water molecules attract the negative charge chloride ions, and the negative charge side of the water molecules attract the positive charge sodium ions. The term hydrophobic means or describes substances or materials that repel water. Hydrophobic molecules are known as nonpolar molecules. Oils and fats, waxes are hydrophobic, do not absorb water. If a hydrophobic substance such as oil is placed in a beaker of water, the water molecules will attract to each other, while the oil molecules will stick together and repel the water, leaving the oil sitting on the top of the water. Hydrophobic molecules tend to group together and repel water. The purpose of hydrophobic and hydrophilic forces are to keep groups positioned close to one another, which are important to the structure of microorganisms. Both terms are important when discussing the cell membrane because it contains hydrophobic and hydrophilic portions and allows our cells to function properly. Phospholipids are primary molecules found in the plasma membrane. They contain a hydrophilic region called the head and a hydrophobic region called the tail. The hydrophilic region, or the head, interacts with water while the hydrophobic region repels water. Cells have two layers of phospholipids called the bilayer, where the heads are facing the outside where the environment is watery, and the tails are confined to the middle, creating a hydrophobic area between the two layers of heads. This allows the plasma membrane to be stable in the watery environment. Polar molecules, which are hydrophilic, are not able to pass through the hydrophobic interior of the phospholipid bilayer. This means they either cannot enter the cell or have to be transported by protein channels. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your time, and I'm looking forward to seeing everybody else's video. Thank you.